Samta Education Trust, Ahmedabad, Gujarat is an NGO working for the sole purpose of the upliftment of depressing classes, for example for SC and ST, particularly in the area of education and health. Samta Education Trust has been providing a reading room free coaching center for competitive exams at B Block 2nd floor, Urja Complex, Motera, Ahmedabad since 2007. The trust had also started training classes and reading rooms at 5 vicinity places named Sachpur, Naroda, Gandhinagar, Kalol, Kadi, and Mansa. In the year 2017, the trust, in its first phase, established Samta Knowledge Academy in the name of Vidushi Savitribai, Mahatma Jyoti Rao Phule Educational Complex and hostel situated at Amrajina Muvada, Utkantheshwar Mahadev Road, Taluka, Dehgam, District, Gandhinagar. The land at measuring 1 lakh square feet has been donated to the trust jointly by Mr. Poonmachand Narsingh Bhai Patel Village Motera and Mr. Girish Bhai Ranchod Bhai Parmar Village, Zak, Taluka, Dehgam, District, Gandhinagar. Naming ceremony. This building Samta Knowledge Academy situated at Amrajina Muvada, Dehgam, Gandhinagar is named by Honorable Shri 108 Sant Niranjan Das Ji, Chairman Shri Guru Ravidas Janm Sthan Mandir, Varanasi, UP. Head of Dera Sachkhand, Ballan, District, Jalandhar, Punjab. On 12 November 2022 Place, Samta Education Trust, Amrajina Muvada, Gujarat. Date on 12 November 2022 on Saturday. Time 10 a.m. Place Samta Education Trust, Amrajina Muvada, Gujarat. Current activities in the above complex are providing education and lodging and meals at concessional rates for socially and economically weak and needy students for SC and ST. This complex is having 125 rooms hostel with accommodation and food facility for 500 students, training classes for UPSC GPSC, Gujarat Government Class, Staff, Selection Commission, Bank Recruitment etc. for other competitive exams. Modern Library and E-Library. Seminars for training and guidance to set up industries for the aspirant youth of the SC, ST in collaboration with various government departments, other institutions like Government of India, State Government, Sardar Dham, Achiever Foundation, Dikki, etc. Seminars are also being organized to provide necessary information on recognized universities in various foreign countries for higher studies and to provide guidance to acquire loans for higher studies in foreign countries. Achievements: India Gujarat Government Jobs, training of 1,500 students from rural and urban hinterlands, 300 plus students employed in government jobs. Financial assistance, Samta Credit Cooperative Society Limited established 2015. Loan facility for educational, social and business sectors. Education formation, educational complex and hostel building. Second phase, Samta Dham. In its second phase, the trust is developing Samta Dham situated at Palundra, Utkantheshwar Mahadev Road, Taluka, Dehgam, District, Gandhinagar, which is 500 meters from Samta Education Academy. Samatha Dham, Gujarat Zone 1 is under construction on a land at measuring 2 lakhs square feet. Said land has been donated by S. Srimati Pushpa Ben Mafatlal Gohil and Shri Poonam Chand Narsingh Bhai Patel, Managing Trustee, in memory of his beloved parent, namely S. Srimati Manguba and Shri Narsingh Bhai Parmabhai Patel Village, Motera, Ahmedabad. Samta Dham Bhumi Pujan. The foundation stone blessed and laid by Honorable Shri 108 Sant Niranjan Das Ji, Chairman Shri Guru Ravidas Janam Sthan Mandir, Varanasi, UP. Head of Dera Sachkhand, Ballan, District, Jalandhar, Punjab. On 12 November 2022. Girls' School, 40 classrooms, Reading room E. Library, 50 rooms, 250 students. Smriti Bhavan of dignitaries, Smriti Bhavan of Sant Shiromani Shri Ravidas, Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Vidushi Savitribai Phule, Veer Maya and other dignitaries. Seminar Hall, Wedding Canteen, Guest House, 100-bed hospital, Samta Dham Mission 2025, East, West, North, South, Central, Saurashtra, Kutch, 7 zones of Gujarat. Your support: 10 lakhs donor membership, lifetime, 5 lakhs elder membership, lifetime, 1 lakhs general membership, 5 years. Donation gift is acceptable. Foreign fund FCRA will be accepted. Donations to Samta Education Trust are exempt from income tax US 280G of the Income Tax Act. The plaques of the donors who have supported will be installed in the complex E Samta Dham Board of Trustees.